Industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Industries provide employment to people but create lots of pollution, which is divided into 4 categories. 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Soil or land pollution. 4. Noise pollution. Let us know each of these categories. Air pollution. Various industries release dust, smoke, and spray mist which contains hazardous gases like carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. These gases cause adverse effects on humans, plants, and animals. Water pollution. Some industries like paper, chemical, textile, petroleum, and dyeing discharge dyes, detergents, chemicals, pesticides, plastics, and heavy metals directly into water and make it polluted. Some factories and thermal plants directly drain hot polluted water into rivers, which causes thermal pollution. Soil or land pollution. Some factories dump wastes like glass, chemicals, and plastic materials directly into soil, which makes soil polluted. Noise pollution. Machines and equipments of industries cause noise pollution, which creates high blood pressure and heart rate and hearing problems in humans. Control of environmental degradation. Some suggestions for controlling the environmental degradation are as follows. 1. Recycling and reusing of water. 2. Rainwater harvesting. 3. Treating hot water and effluents before discharge them in water sources. 4. Fitting smokestacks to factories. 5. Using of silent generators and low-noise machines. 6. Using of noise-absorbing materials.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.